Hello YouTube! Welcome back to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I am back with another interesting video. This is about remote access. How to access your computer in a remote way. Now, my situation is I'm having two computers. One is my laptop and other one is a computer, right? Now, we are gonna access my computer through my laptop via a software called TeamViewer, alright? Now, TeamViewer is a software which you can use to remotely access either your computer or phone or Android phone, iOS phone. But in this case, we are going to use to access our computer through the laptop. Okay. Now, when it comes to screen reader support, it's kind of laggy. The responsiveness is not that much great, but we can manage it. Okay, don't worry about that. Now, if you are planning to use the computer like as a main computer, then you might feel like a lot of laggy, not responsive, all those stuffs. But if you are trying to do certain small things like turn offing the computer or whatever the small things, then you can use the remote feature, the TeamViewer software, to do this task. Okay, now talking about the accessibility, TeamViewer is completely accessible. There are no any issues with the accessibility, so we can use independently. Okay, TeamViewer is free for non-commercial use, and if you are planning to use in a commercial environment, then obviously you have to buy a license and you can activate it, right? Now, there are some certain settings and also there are some methods to connect to the computer, your other computer through my laptop. We are going to look at that as well, and I'm going to explain what's going on with the process. And also remember, you need both internet connections in the both computers to connect to the remote session, and the internet connection should be reasonably fast. Okay, those are standard practices. And let's get started. And if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, please leave it in the comment section. I'm glad to help you out, and also I will be glad to accept your any feedbacks. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, now
TeamViewer.
Let's open TeamViewer.
Enter.
And let's take a quick walkthrough.
Dialog. Allow remote control remote computer.
Alright, now as you can hear, I have opened JAWS in my laptop, which is the main system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to control my computer through this laptop. Alright, now in my computer I have eSpeak, NVDA, so we can differentiate both of the computers, right? So
connection button.
We have a lot of things. Now I'm going to kind of let's stick to the point. There are lots of things you can explore. Okay,
extras button.
Now
help button, feedback edit, connect button, free license non-commercial use only, Mohomed Rashad button, sign in don't have an account, remote control button, remote management button, meeting button, computers and chat button, augmented reality button, getting started button, your ID read only edit 16.
Right, now these the two field, your ID and
password read only edit dash.
Password, these are very important. Okay, when you connect to a computer, you have to give the credentials. Okay, these are standard things. All right, now when it comes to compatibility in screen readers and response, there is a slight latency which you will notice after we get to the actual work. Okay, but as I said in the video, as I said in the intro, it's very useful if you have small things. But if you are going to make the remote computer as a main system to use resources or to play games, then it's a big problem. Okay, we can't kind of avoid latency, so I don't recommend you to use as a main computer in the remote connection. Alright, now I'm not gonna go into deep about the settings and all those things. Now I have turned on dark mode in this computer and the other one is light, so again we can differentiate ourselves. That's available in the settings as well, right? So without further ado, let's get to the actual video. I'm gonna connect my computer and let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see how to do that actually, right? Alright, now this is the setup. I'm having the TeamViewer opened in the other computer as well.
TeamViewer dialog ready to connect. Secure connection unattended apps. Remote partner ID. Brand easy access. Partner ID combo box collapsed. Edit blank.
Now, since I want to connect this computer, the eSpeak computer, the NVIDIA computer, to this laptop, which is running JAWS.
TeamViewer partner ID edit 1624614.
All right. What I have to do is I have to get the your ID, and I have to copy or type the your ID to this laptop.
Connect button. Remote control. Partner ID edit 162.
To the field called partner ID. All right. And
Remote connect button.
I have to press connect.
Space partner ID edit 1624661.
And in a minute.
Authentication
Okay.
dialog. Please enter the password that is displayed on your partner's computer. Advanced password. Password edit.
Now, as the password, we have
Password edit read only. 2K21GQ.
password edit read only. Okay. Now we have to type that
2K.
2K 2K
21G.
21T
Q blank.
Q.
Star. Password button.
No. Sorry.
Password edit circle bullet.
Q. Okay, Q.
Star logon button.
And if I press log on,
Space partner ID edit 16246146112.
all right.
TV 3.0. TV 3.0.
Now I have logged into the actual computer. All right. I hope you can see that. Now, as you can hear, I'm operating the computer through the laptop.
Search box edit. Escape.
Let me.
Search box edit.
It's really hard to.
Windows X context menu app. Mobile power options. Mobility enter. Leaving menus with right slider 0% and 100%.
All right.
Rid of TeamViewer.
Now I have connected the computer to this laptop through TeamViewer. All right. Now if you have to press Alt Tab to get back to this thing.
Notification.
So as you can hear,
Show desktop button. Desktop list. Google Chrome Hibernate.
I hope you can hear that.
NVDA 608. Location. NVDA 6 Program House X86. NVDA Tooltip.
Let me decrease the speaker. Okay. Yeah, it's really laggy. It's kind of extremely laggy, but we can use it a little bit. Let's go to that enter. It says JAWS. Okay, it's kind of weird, but yeah, let's play music. Now it's playing from this computer, as you can see here. Now my laptop speaker, as you may know, it's not good, so I kind of suspect that you can't hear the actual audio. I'm sorry for that, but this is how you can connect and use the TeamViewer feature. This is a quick video because I searched, but I couldn't find any shortcut keys on this thing. Unfortunately, there are options available in the top. Okay, now you have to come to get the arrow to the top of the screen, and you will get a I think JAWS doesn't read it, so you have to get the mouse arrow to the bottom left corner and press that. Okay, and then search box edit will say that this opens our start menu, not the actual computer start menu. All right, now I'm gonna quit JAWS.
JAWS find dialog. Find escape.
Sorry.
Search box edit. Rid of TeamViewer free license.
All right, that's on the real the connected computer. Now I have opened my NVDA.
Start. Navigation. Start. Navigation. Start chat. Meeting.
You have to come to the top of the screen, and there are a lot of options. I'm sorry, the thing is very hard, very louder. Very faster. I'm sorry for that. Actions. View. Lot of options. Now if you press actions, there are reboot. Disable remote input. Invite additional participants. And now if you press tab, you can hear what's going on. The video is also not clear. That's the thing. Leave, scripts, block, reboot, all those options. As I said, this is not the optimal and the reliable solutions for screen reader users because the response is terrible. That's the kind of it's a unfortunate thing, but we have to bear with it. All right. If you press end, let's end the meeting. Now this is my computer, all right, my laptop. Okay. Let's press end. We have pressed end session and lock computer, as that is the only option available, and it will lock the remote computer which we have connected. Alright, it says sponsored session. This is a sponsored session from TeamViewer. You can purchase a license, something. So this is how the TeamViewer works, and I really hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, idea, please let me know. I'm sure that I have made some mistakes and there are some technical errors. Since my speaker is not good, I'm extremely sorry for that, but this is the main idea. Okay, so I really hope this video has helped you out. If you have any questions, as usual, the comments box is in the description. Comments box. You can use the comment thing to let me know any recommendations or any feedbacks. All right, so thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad.